rather have this. Team foods! Oh my goodness. And open up?
Yes. What's that?
Careful,
Basahin.
careful, my gosh. Lamgo seeds. Those are yams to
What
see-
kind of vegetable is that?
I don't know. I don't know. Look at. Oh, my hand's too slippery. Help me. Team plants. Whoa, I can feel that. It's slippery again for me. I like that smell. That's good.
Which one?
The smell.
The smell of what?
It just smells me nowhere.
I think you can smell me. Wait.
I'm vegan, so I can smell anything.
Oh, you're Vigus? What's Vigus?
Vegan. Ooh, careful.
Oh, you have to be careful. That's a lot of seeds.
Oh my god. Wait, it's have a yellow? Here. Why they moving? I don't know. Why they moving? That's super creep. What? That's super creep. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh my gosh. This defect. Open. What? Oh they are moving.
You just have to put one on each hole, okay? You poke a hole and then you put one seed, okay? And then you're not supposed to put everything there, huh? Not even half. Just a little.
I make a hole.
Yeah. Everywhere. All around the area. All around the area. Okay. Oh, you go down first. Yeah, only one seed. You have to be careful.
One seed. Only.
Wait, can you remove that one, Tito Gab, please, so that baby can go there? Oh, just, and then you push the, be careful. Alis kasi mo na dyan. That's why nga, alis nga dyan. Tanggalin mo na yan. Can you get me that? Ano daw yung English ko? Bus na expired na. Mga Englishero kasi.
Get away. Wait, even one seed.
Just one, ha? You poke a hole first, Bibi.
I took a hole.
Oh, you have your hole na?
Yes.
Okay, I'll poke a hole for you, Bibi, and then you put one seed, ha?
Only one.
Just one, ha? Only one. Oh, no.
No, not like that. My gosh. Wait. Wait, pakuha niyo.
Yeah, oh, no, it's okay. You can put two. Basta konti lang. Okay na yan. Wait.
Wait.
Then you put some on your hands as well.
No.
Bibi, not a lot.
Ruined the nature. Oh my gosh. Be careful.
Nothing. I'm laughing. You guys are funny. Okay, that's enough. It's okay. Yeah. You can put some in your hands and then you just have to divide it into different holes.
I have like this to get
Yeah.
holes.
Okay. Get some in your hands na and then just put it later.
Hey, come on, just wait. Just hold it now.
Then we will add soil kapag medyo malalaki na sila.
Oh my gosh.
For now, yan muna.
Me there, ang tangkad mo na. Ako. Hindi ko kaya pupuyo.
Share. You guys share.
Look. May plastic bag. Anong plastic bag? Plastic bag. Ano yun? Wait. Meron na ditong seed.
Opo, sige. Cover mo na kapag may seed na.
Wait.
Share kayo. Share. Tumayo.
Hindi ko kaya.
Share dito, Gab. Yan. Okay. Careful, ha.
Wait. It's like a Spider-Man. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Why?
Takot ako. Oh my
Kung
goodness.
takot?
Oh my goodness. Sis.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of holes in here. You're not putting seeds pa.
Oh my goodness. You see, come on. my gosh. Ooh.
Be careful, ha?
I'm sorry. It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh gosh. Okay lang yan. Sabi ni mama. Ako iniisa-isa ko. Ah!
And then you cover na, bibi, the ano, those you put ano, those holes that has ano na seeds. Cover.
First, I have a blocks here, and I'm not down scared.
You can use this.
Did you see? Come on. Sir. Sorry.
That's okay, okay, that's fine. I'll just get it later. You have to be careful.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh, and then you put it like this.
Parang magsisir tayo.
Yeah. You share. Oh, that's enough.
Gagawa ko ng hole sa'yo, tapos igaganon mo. Tapos ako Wait! Oh my gosh! Ako magko-cover, okay? Understand?
Okay. I put some in here na. No need to put here.
Oh gosh!
Kapag tumubo na to, anong mangyayari? May ulam na tayo.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Wala tayong ulam. May gulay na tayong ulam, no? Right, guys? Yeah. Do you eat vegetable? Why do you have to eat vegetables?
Because it's yummy.
And what?
To get not sickness.
Yeah, and it's...
no have a virus. It's... Ow!
It's healthy for your
Body.
body.
And you are strong.
You're strong. You're gonna be strong if you eat vegetable.
Parang X.
Yeah.
And no one says tied to breakfast.
Huh?
No one's tied to breakfast. It's a win. Parang akong... yung pinapanood natin.
Hanip sa upo, ah.
Wait. What? Oh my goodness. Wait. What? There's soil.
Okay,
And
what?
give me
What?
a
You need more seeds?
seed.
Do you need more seeds?
Yeah. Seeds are good and scabbers. Yeah. Where have a hole?
No more.
Oh my gosh. I just found something.
There, kay Tito Gab. Doon sa pwesto ni Tito Gab. Saboy mo na lang, anak. Just put it over. Everywhere. Anywhere you want.
Wait. And we water it with that?
Yes.
Ano to? Here,
Oh, wag yan. Yan yung handle eh. Dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Bakit hindi man? Kakahiwalay.
Okay lang yan. Give more. Oh, wait. Oh my god.
You want more?
No, I got more.
Okay. Okay, that's the last batch. No more.
No more?
It's gonna be a lot. We have to plant more kapag ka-harvest na tayo. Ganun. What do you do after putting the seeds?
Water it.
Water it? Okay. Oh, get some water na. And then you can wash your hands.
Wait.
Be careful, ha?
What is this dirty? We don't need a hole. Dirty view. Help me. Litter bro.
Nilagyan ko po siya ng mga balat ng itlog, mga balat ng saging, after natin siyang ipahinga ng nakaraan. Here. Ay! Careful.
That's
No, it's okay. It's gonna...
die.
No, they're not.
Oh yeah. Because
It's going to germinate. Germinate. Okay, we're all good. We're done.
because they not hydrate.
They need hydration, yeah. Bus na yung English ko, mga best. Are you guys done?
I'm done.
Okay, bye guys. See you next time.